Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show a simple class 1 science project about uses of trees. Trees are very important for us. They give us oxygen and help us live a healthy life. Without trees, life on earth would not be possible. So, let's see how trees help humans and animals in different ways. In the center of this project, we have a beautiful tree. Trees are called our best friends because they provide many useful things. First, trees give us oxygen. We breathe oxygen every second, and trees help keep the air fresh and clean. Many trees have medicinal properties. They provide medicines that help people recover from illness and stay healthy. Some plants give us cotton, which is used to make clothes and many other things. Trees are also provide shelter. Birds build nests on trees, and many animals live around them. Trees also gives us shade and make the environment cool and pleasant. Trees also provide wood, which is used to make furniture, colors, and many useful items. From trees, we get many fruits and vegetables. These foods are healthy and help us grow strong and stay fit. Trees gives us papers and pencils, books, notebooks, and pencils. Pencils are made from products often from trees. Then color all the pictures step by step. That is why we should plant more trees and protect them. So friends, this way my science project on uses of trees. Trees are a precious gift of nature. They give us oxygen, food, wood, medicines, cotton, paper, and shelter. Therefore, we should never cut trees unnecessarily. Instead, we should plant more trees and keep our environment green and clean. Save trees, save earth. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.